Does this make me look fat?
You know, I gotta say, on you, it looks good.
This is the hurdle you must get over. Knock out the plane with the gold plate. Sink those rusty tin cans. Clear out those plates as well as you can. Find a way into the hidden bunker. Ready, aim, break those plates. Holy Toledo!
Anywhere destroyed!
The sea is clear for now.
First class!
Outstanding, soldier! You beat the score! You did it! Reinforcement squadron, 12 o'clock! We need to get to higher ground. Keep them busy. Those gold plates are tough to hit. Outstanding!
HQ says 1 minute left!
Suppressive fire. March in place, soldier! Hut, hut, hut! Well done! The enemy is bringing out another convoy of planes.
Anywhere destroyed!
Suppressive fire. Cease fire in 30.
First class! Keep up the pressure!
Soldier, pump those arms.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Mission accomplished. Move them out. Don't overthink this one, soldier. Just get from here to there. Well done, soldier. HQ has decided that you are ready for the next challenge. Go! Move out! Don't cave to the pressure, soldier! Excellent! Now watch your target area. This is tougher territory. No mistakes allowed. Fallout! Don't cave to the pressure, soldier! Don't cave to the pressure, soldier! Don't cave to the pressure, soldier! Too close! Retreat! Retreat! Don't cave to the pressure, soldier! Too close! You're one impressive maze sweeper, and we need you on the front line maze. Good luck! Tilt it! Tilt it! Too close! Retreat! Retreat! Tilt it! Tilt it! Don't cave to the pressure, soldier! Too close! Retreat! Retreat! Don't cave! And that's how we roll in my army. I will accept nothing less than this score, soldier. Defuse those mines. Break those plates before they splash down. Those submarines must be sunk. These won't be easy to find, soldier. Ready, aim, break those plates. You sunk them all! Outstanding! Sea lanes are clear. You got all the plates, soldier. I'm reporting that score to the top brass. Excellent! You found the big plate. Get those arms moving, soldier!
HQ says 1 minute left.
Command gives us 30 seconds. Let's go.
Five, four, three, two, one. March in place, soldier. Hut, hut, hut. You've earned your star. Move out. Artillery, take down that outpost.
Put them down.
They're rebuilding their fortification. Knock it down pronto.
Good job.
Knock it down. That's an order.
Good job.
Another one. Copy that. You've earned your stars. Move out.
Sir, yes, sir.
Today's mission, beat these numbers. Each successful volley increases in value. I expect nothing less than perfection. These are difficult marks, so you'll have to aim carefully. Plates like these are a little easier. Take your time, soldier. But there is no excuse for missing point-blank targets like this. You're cleared to break plate. There's too many of them. I can't see a thing. Expert. Mid-range plate clear. On the mark with those point-blank targets. Way to break those numbers, soldier. Eagle Eye. You got the tough one.
Bullseye!
From here on out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission accomplished. Move them out.
Impressive!
Good job!
Way to go!
Bye-bye!
Hey!